Taekwondo, in our fighting stance, really nice and strong and grounded, and we block up right and left, right and left. It's also called a maki in Taekwondo, this block. Next move, we're going to use our hand blade block. Up right, up left, down right, down left. At the same time, our leg is going out. So trip that ninja. In and in and in. Alright, good. Center yourself with a mudra into your balance. Back into your fighting stance. We're going to lift our hip and kick side, cross punch, nice and strong, and rotate, and then bring that negative energy into your solar plexus, to your gut. And do that again to the left. So keep it strong. Important to keep your hips aligned. So if you want to start smaller, just keep it strong. Next is a heel together, heel together. You're going to, whatever heel is going out, the opposite elbow swings back. Heel together. Use the shoulder blade. Nice and strong. Alright, last move. Our arms come up and around and back down into our grounded fighting stance. Block upright. Swing back all the way to the back. Use that heel to lift it. Palms up and coming at it. Again, we do it to the left. Fighting stance. Block and back. Up, up. Up and around. I got your back for sure. You know I'll always be a lifelong boy. I say, you're back. I'm taking Taekwondo. If people mess with you, I'll kick them with my toe. I got the situation under control. You know I'll always be a lifelong boy. I say it, cause you're my number one. You're my number one. I got your back for sure. You know I'll always be a lifelong boy. I grew you some kale cause you don't eat me. I like your pictures and I favorite your tweets. I harvest silkworms just to make you some sheets. Whoa, whoa. Don't you ever worry about a, don't you ever worry about a, cause I'm gonna give you everything, everything I got. You're back. I'm taking Taekwondo. If people mess with you, I'll kick them with my toe. I got the situation under control. You know I'll always be a lifelong boy. I say I'm taking Taekwondo. If people mess with you, I'll kick them with my toe. I got the situation under control. You know I'll always be a lifelong boy. I say it, cause you're my number one. You're my number one. I got your back for sure. You know I'll always be a lifelong boy. I say, I'ma break it down in the rap part, cause you're my half heart, the poem in my hallmark. Cardiac arrest, I hit the chest of any man with willingness to match with my mistress. I will throw a kick to your voice box. My tiger claw will knock your socks off. Any tough chopper wants a death scrap will be lying flat on the back in a turn. I'm taking Taekwondo. If people mess with you, I'll kick them with my toe. I got the situation under control. You know I'll always be a lifelong boy.